Hi my lovies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a really quick hair tutorial video. For those of you who are new here on my channel, my name is Brianna. So today I will be doing a tutorial on an outre wig called Stunna. It is a half a wig. As you can see, it has two combs, one to the front and one to the back. My hair is parted in two to the front. I have two plaits and my hair is catched to the back in a ponytail. I chose to do this method because it's pretty easy and quick, and I've had no issues doing this method for a really long time. But if you wish to cornrow your hair to the back, then feel free to do so. As you can see, I'm about to apply the wig to my head, and while applying the wig you want to make sure that you get it secured. So now I'm going to take my time to pull out my braids to blend in my natural hair with the wig. Today I will not be using any heat whatsoever on my hair. The only products I'll be using today will include my brush, my comb, and the Got To Be Glue freezing spray. So while using this method, you want to ensure that you take a fine-tooth comb to part out your hair along with some leave-out from the wig, because you want to blend your hair with the wig. Today I'll be doing cornrows. I'll be doing two cornrows to the front, so one on each side, because I will not be applying any heat and I want it to look as natural as possible. And this is my go-to style for most days when I just can't be bothered to really comb my hair or put on a full wig. You know, I'll just grab my half a wig, and they're very affordable. I think this wig was about $25 on Amazon. However, I will link the link to this wig in the description box below, so if you want to go and check it out, you can do so. Going to zoom in so you can see the cornrow that I've given myself. It's not the best, so please don't judge me, but it's just me trying, you know, to do something on my own. So now that I'm finished braiding both sides of my hair, I'm going to go off camera to fix my hair a bit, pull up some of the hair from underneath the wig to lay over it so it looks more natural, and I'm going to lay my edges. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I went off camera to do my baby hair. Yeah. You've got to spray these babies down so they can stay. Okay. Alright. So, yeah, and then I sort of just fixed right here. Yeah. So this is the hair. You could style it however you want. I prefer it this way, but you could bring some of the hair to the front and use the brush to do that. And have that part slip back, or you could have both parts to the front. It all depends on you, what you like. I prefer having it to the back. All right, let me just turn to the side and then to the back so you guys can see what it looks like. Yes guys, so guys,
please, may I beg on one thing. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. Remember to like and comment and to share this video to as many people as you possibly can. And please feel free to send me suggestions as to things that you want to see me do. So that's it for this video. See you in my next video.